Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now, if you use any app on your smartphone, and if you find ads within the app on your smartphone, and if you want to block these ads on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now just give this app this permission. Now in the email section, just enter your email. Now once you enter your email, now in the password section, just enter your password. Now once you enter your password, just tap on log in. Now on this page, under the private DNS section, just tap and hold on this text. Now once you select this text, just select copy. After that, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to connections. After that, tap on more connection settings and select private DNS. Now instead of off, just select private DNS hostname. Now from here, just paste the text we have copied earlier. Now just tap on save. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled private DNS on our smartphone. Now if you open any app which contain ad, you will not find any ad within the apps on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can block ads on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.